Which Corsair K95 RGB Platinum keyboard is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Corsair K100 RGB. First up is the Corsair K100 RGB optical mechanical wired gaming keyboard. At a price of $199.99, it stands out with its sleek aluminum frame and stunning RGB lighting. If you want top-notch responsiveness and beautiful aesthetics, this is worth a serious look. This means when you're in the heat of a game, every keystroke registers almost instantly. With 4000 Hz hyperpolling and exclusive OPX RGB optical mechanical key switches, you'll notice the difference in speed and accuracy. It's also built to last, with switches guaranteed for 150 million keystrokes, so you won't need to replace it anytime soon. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit steep. It's not for casual users, but if you're looking for that competitive edge, it's a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you're a hardcore gamer who values performance and is willing to invest in quality. Skip this one if you're just looking for something basic or have a tight budget. Now, if the price of the K100 is a deal breaker for you, this next one takes a completely different approach while still delivering excellent value. Product number 2, SteelSeries Apex 5. Next is the SteelSeries Apex 5 hybrid mechanical gaming keyboard priced at $98.97. The first thing that caught my attention was its sleek design and premium feel. If you want a solid hybrid option without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. What makes this keyboard special is its hybrid blue mechanical switches. They combine the tactile feel of mechanical switches with the smoothness of membrane keys, offering a satisfying typing experience without the clicky noise. Plus, the vibrant per-key RGB illumination allows for customization that can really enhance your gaming setup. The OLED Smart Display is another standout feature, letting you display GIFs or game stats right on your keyboard, which is a cool touch. However, some users have mentioned that the key presses can feel a bit mushy compared to fully mechanical options. I get that, but if you're transitioning from a traditional keyboard or want a quieter experience while still having that tactile feedback, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a mix of gaming and everyday use without needing a fully mechanical keyboard. Skip this one if you're set on that classic mechanical feel and want something more high-end. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you need something more budget-friendly. Product number 3, HyperX Alloy Core RGB. Now let's talk about the HyperX Alloy Core RGB, which only costs $32.99. It's amazing to see a budget-friendly keyboard packed with features that enhance your gaming experience. If you're looking for something that won't break the bank but still performs well, this one's worth checking out. The Alloy Core RGB features quiet, responsive keys with anti-ghosting technology. This means you can press multiple keys simultaneously without missing a beat, which is crucial during intense gaming sessions. The spill-resistant design is another big plus, letting you enjoy your favorite drinks without worrying about accidents ruining your keyboard. Plus, the customizable RGB lighting effects really bring your setup to life. Now, some users mention that it feels a bit cheap compared to pricier models. Here's the thing, while it might not have the premium feel of higher-end keyboards, it's still a fantastic option for casual gamers or anyone who needs a reliable keyboard without the hefty price tag. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out in gaming or need a spare keyboard. Skip this one if you want advanced features and customization options found in more expensive models. Now, if you like some of the features of the Alloy Core but want a bit more flair, the next keyboard might catch your eye. Product number 4, Corsair K95 Core RGB. Next up is the Corsair K95 Core RGB, which you can snag for $49.99. This keyboard combines solid performance with a stunning RGB display. If you want a good mid-range keyboard that offers excellent features, keep listening. The K95 Core RGB is designed for gamers with its quiet, responsive key switches and customizable 10-zone RGB backlighting. Plus, it has dedicated media controls, making it easy to adjust volume or playback without interrupting your game. The spill-resistant design is a lifesaver for those late-night snack sessions while gaming. However, some users have pointed out that the key switches might feel less tactile compared to mechanical keyboards. I'll be real with you, if you're used to mechanical switches, there might be a slight adjustment. But for casual gamers, this is a solid choice that balances performance and fun. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable keyboard with decent RGB options without spending too much. Skip this one if you're looking for that mechanical feel or more advanced features. Now, if you want something more versatile, the next keyboard offers a unique wireless option. Product number 5, ASUS ROG Strix Scope II. Last but not least, we have the ASUS ROG Strix Scope II priced at $149.99. This keyboard caught my eye with its tri-mode connectivity, allowing you to connect via USB, Bluetooth, or RF. If you need flexibility in how you connect to your devices, this one's definitely worth a look. One of the standout features is the hot swappable pre-lubed mechanical switches, which means you can customize your typing experience based on your preference. Whether you like a clicky sound or a smooth feel, you have options. The compact design packs full-size functionality, including a numpad, making it perfect for gamers with limited desk space. Plus, the integrated sound dampening foam helps keep things quiet while you play. Some users have mentioned the price being a bit high for a wireless keyboard. Here's the thing, with its advanced features and customization options, it's still a great value for those who want flexibility and performance. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, versatile keyboard that can adapt to your various gaming and work needs. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just need something basic. So we've covered a range of options from budget-friendly to high-end, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. These keyboards cater to different needs, so you can find one that fits your gaming style perfectly. To wrap it up, we've looked at the Corsair K100 RGB for performance enthusiasts, the SteelSeries Apex 5 for a solid hybrid feel, the budget-friendly HyperX Alloy Core RGB, the Corsair K95 Core RGB for a reliable mid-range option, and the versatile ASUS ROG Strix Scope II for those needing flexibility. Each has its own strengths, so think about what you really need in a keyboard and choose accordingly.